channel. You read that title right. Very affordable hair from Amazon. Yes, it's this beautiful curly bob wig, and I only paid $68, but it went up to $72, but that's not bad still for like this cute stiff well.
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no way.
Stiff what?
I bought this from Amazon, and I know the days are getting harder and harder. We wanted some cheap, good hair. So I'm gonna give you the link. The link gonna be in the description box below where I got this hair. I got it from Amazon. And the name of the company is JAJA hair. I got a 14-inch bob, and the hair type is kinky curly, I think. It's called just a curly bob wig, but I don't think it's just curly. I feel like it's kinky. It's more kinky. It looks more like my real hair. I'm gonna insert some pictures on how it looked when I first got it. And straight out the pack, it was like this jerry curl. And I was like, please don't look like this on my head, because if so, you going back. After I washed it, it looked like this. It looked cute. It was very moisturized. The curls are still popping to this day. I ordered this wig maybe 4 months ago. Hold on, November, December, January, 5 months ago actually. And I get some tangles and some shedding, but I mean that's with any curly hair. You'll get tangling and shedding. The shipping was very quick. It was very quick. Like, it took maybe 2 days. I mean, it's Amazon Prime, so if you have Amazon Prime, your wig will be here in no time. The quality, I would say the hair is very soft. The curls get so defined. You might can see in my first video what I used. I used Tresemme. This is Tresemme Moisture. That's what I use, and I just mix some conditioner with water, and I just spray it every day, and I blow dried it a little bit so I can get it like big. The density is 130. I wouldn't say it's 130. I feel like it's a good 150. It's a cap size medium. I think they all come in medium, but it's like 22 inches through 23. My head, again, is not big, so I got a medium this time. Well, that time, it fits very well. Like, I still have a lot of room in the back. This is a 13x4 frontal, so around the edges it's a frontal, but when I part it down in the parting space, let me show you, it stops literally right here, and then it's a track. I actually can't do a really deep part on this wig. Like this, the track is literally right there. But like my West Kiss hair, you can part it all the way back here. So yeah, it stops literally right there. I wouldn't say I like it, but it's a bob, so I mean, what more could you want out of a bob? Like, it ain't like you're trying to make a whole ponytail. So I'm good with like that little bit of space just to make a little smaller part. The lace is a medium brown lace. And it came pre-plucked, but I plucked some more. I customized this wig. I actually bleached it, plucked it like I did in my first video. So if you want to see how I pluck and customize and install my hair, you can check out my very first video over West Kiss hair. The frontal quality, I would say it's a 10. I would say it's a 10. And I was like, I want to order another wig. Did I cut this hair into like a bob shape? No, it came like this, y'all. Shedding, I don't get too much shedding. I mean, I get enough for curly hair shedding. So a pro that I have on this hair is that it's very soft. It's nice to manage. Like, I really love this. And a con on this hair, I wouldn't say they have any cons, but if I had to pick one, a con would be tangling. I mean, I've had this hair for 5 months, so it deserves to tangle by now. But when I first got it, it didn't tangle at all. But now that I'm wearing it and wearing it out, it's got some tangle. To have it for 5 months, that's great. Like, I always keep my hair. I know personally people throw away their hair, but like, why when you can wear it over again? I don't understand that. I'm gonna give you a video on how to re-wear your hair, because some people be like, this hair is very bad now, like it's crunchy and but I know how to revive hair and make it brand new. So, you know, I'm gonna do do a video over there and show you how to revive your hair. So I haven't had to revive this hair, and like I feel like this is a great summer bob. So like the summer is coming, go ahead and get your wig so you can have it fresh and ready when Rona is over. Have it fresh and ready, baby. And another thing is that the frontal texture matches the actual hair. Like, it blends very well with the actual hair. Like, I know some companies, they can't blend for nothing. Like, you'll have body wave up front and Brazilian curly in the back. So yeah, like, this really blends in with all the other hair. And also, for this to be Amazon hair, this is like very thick hair, and like the lace, like if you buy from Amazon, you would expect it to be at least a synthetic, you know, lace front. But no, ma'am. Like, if I wanted to put it up, I could. Like, and I get so many compliments on my hair.
They be like, "Oh, girl, I love your hair," and I'd be like, "Oh, thank you." They're like, "Girl, where you get it from?" I'd be like, "Amazon."
And they probably don't believe me. Y'all need to go get the hair ASAP.
ASAP!
So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when I post. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.